been sleeping in your child's bed?
Hi, guys. Just catching a few winks.
It's Sing and Snore Ernie. Press his hand.
I'm so sleepy.
Lay him down, and he sings a little lullaby.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Then, before you know it, look. And he always wakes up on the right side of the bed.
I feel great.
Now, bedtime's a happy time. Sing and Snore Ernie, the newest huggable member of the Tycho Sesame Street family.